want completely glowing, radiant skin, the secret, ladies, is these Korean skincare tools. There's a reason they're viral. There's a reason they're all over the internet. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the benefits of both the jade roller and the gua sha tool and how-to tutorial instructions. So stay tuned. Now, first up, we have the jade roller. And this tool is specifically designed for circulation, reducing puffiness, and lymphatic drainage. And the larger part of the jade roller is for your face, and the smaller part of the jade roller is for your eye area. So there are specific how-to instructions. So stay tuned, because in this next clip, I'm going to give you the how-to instructions. These are the how-to instructions to use your jade roller. The larger end for our face and the smaller end of the jade roller is for your eye area. But you always work with a very clean face, and you always work with sanitized or clean tools. Now we're going to take our moisturizer, and now you are going to apply that everywhere, even across your eyes. And what this is doing when you use the moisturizer, lubricating your face so the tool does not pull or stretch your skin. Because you're going to take the larger end of the jade roller, and you are going to first start with your neck, and you are going to go up. We are always going up and out with any of our skincare application, and we're going to go up and out. Now, the jade roller helps promote circulation and stimulates the blood flow. So it does make your skin look more radiant. And another tip that I have is to put the jade roller in the refrigerator about 5 minutes before you use it. And the cold actually helps with the stimulation. Now, you are going to take from the center of your face, and you're working out, always with gravity, center out, starting at your chin, and you're working your way up. You have to massage gently, but we're trying not to pull our skin, so there's a fine line there. And down your nose, we're going out, always from the center of your face to your hairline. Now we're going to do this for 3 to 5 minutes. It is a facial massage. And so now we're going to take the smaller end, which is our eye area, but we're going to do the same process, which is center out. And another little tip that I have is, if I have extra puffiness that day, I will hold the eye end of the jade roller and kind of hold it in and linger while I massage outward, and kind of hold it there and do slower motions that will so help the puffiness, ladies. So we're going to linger out toward the hairline, linger above the eye. You can close your eye and go over your whole eyelid. This is not going to hurt anything. But stay tuned, because we're going to do the how-to for the gua sha tool. Now we're going to talk about the gua sha tool. And this is an example of a gua sha tool. Now, and you always use the curved edge against your skin and hold it at a 15-degree angle. But the gua sha tool is specifically for sculpting and lifting. So stay tuned, because in the next clip, I'm going to show you the how-to technique for the gua sha tool. Now, these are the how-to instructions for the gua sha tool. In sanitized tools, cleanly wash, sanitized face, we have to take our moisturizer, because you want the tool to glide effectively and do not pull your skin. But so you are taking the curved end of the gua sha tool, and we are going to start like we did with the jade roller, but we're going up with our neck, and the curved part of the tool, you lay it 15 degrees so it's almost flat against your skin. And you can also put the gua sha tool in the refrigerator, like I mentioned about the jade roller, and it is so much more soothing and so much more effective. And you're going across the jawline. You are still going from the center out towards your hairline, just like you do with the jade roller. And what this is doing, the gua sha tool, the main difference between the two is this is a sculpting tool. It is meant to sculpt and lift, but you notice it fits perfectly. Now, you're not going to want to pull the skin, and center out, and we are sculpting and lifting. Now, if you did want to do your eyes, it says to use the notched portion of the gua sha tool, and you are going to use it like this with the rounded end, but you are still working from the center of your face out. And always remember to sanitize all your tools when you're done. Now, comparing the two, there really isn't a comparison because they're both meant to do completely different things and both are equally as important. Really depends on your main skincare goal to be able to choose which one is right for you. But why do we have to choose? You can get the kit off Amazon or on my TikTok shop. There's a reason these Korean skincare tools are going viral. Ladies, let me know in the comments, had you used the tools? And let me know if you thought this video was interesting. I appreciate all your support and always watching the videos to the end, because that is one of the main metrics that YouTube looks at to push my videos out to more people. The ones who comment every week, I love you. That shows me that you really do care about our community that we're trying to build here, and shows me the love that I am trying to give to you as well. Till next time, much love.